Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the rod of the Forgotten Fang. So open up this crafting area by using like oh my god, I forgot what it's called. Four ancient something. Not a totem. I don't remember what it's called. I did it like a few weeks ago, but I opened it using the solar one, the earth one, the ocean one, as well as the ancient like purple one. And then you're going to just go to the crafting table, press E. To craft the rod of the Forgotten Fang, you'll need two mix fangs, two mix vine, and a lunar thread. It's pretty easy to get it. You're just going to go back outside. I'm just going to again open up my glider. You're going to go out of the crafting room here. Oh my god, why am I not making it up here? Sorry, I don't know why I never make it out on that one. See, like you'll need to open it using, oh, fragments, that's what they're called. Then you'll need to spin them. You'll need 4. And then just get out of this area and then go out to the waterfall to fish for the mix fangs as well as the mix vine here. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.